How to taste wine in 3 simple steps. Let's wine together. So, how do we taste wine? Oh my God, shall we just look at it? And I'm looking, nothing is happening. Shall I smell it first? Shall I taste it first? And if I look, what should I look at? It's red. It smells like wine. It's good. Well, normal people do this, right? But if I were to taste 5,000 wines a year, like I've done for the past 20 years, like that, I wouldn't be here anymore. Or maybe my liver would be ready to make foie gras right now. So, there's a technique that we use. As a matter of fact, we look, we smell, and then we taste. In this exact order. In many movies, actually in most movies to be honest, you see people holding a glass like that, right? Because I don't really know why, but that's wrong. You want to hold it like this or like that. I'll tell you why in our first episode, the sight. Then what you're gonna be doing? Are we gonna swirl it like that, like this? There's so many things that can be done right or wrong. But you gotta be really confident about what you're doing. Would you like to be confident about wine tasting? Follow me in the next episodes. As long as you remember that tasting wine is an exercise of mindfulness. Or maybe of mind emptiness. All you gotta do is be present, like Master Yoda. You gotta look at the wine because we're gonna learn so much about it. You're gonna smell it because that's the soul of wine. And lastly, you're gonna take a sip to understand the entire universe of this beautiful, delicious liquid. Are you ready? Follow me on the next 3 episodes. The eye, the nose, and the mouth.
Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.